know if this sounds terrible on there. Sorry,
Sounds really
I'm
good.
opening my crystals. You're like candy. Uh-oh.
Alright, and here for 30 seconds.
Hello, Nails by Mar. So we do have two different transfer foil gels. We have the traditional I Hold transfer foil gel in the white bottle, and then we have the premium transfer foil gel in the black bottle. The difference is the black bottle, they both do a great job, but the black bottle will give you a 30-second cure, and the white bottle is a 1-minute cure. So if you're impatient like me, get the premium. I'm so impatient.
I want to show you something really cool. This is a Supreme Rose Gold charms. You can find your charms in the heart and smaller and bigger. If you want smaller, then you get this this charms collection. This is a regular charms rose gold, and it have like a smaller heart.
You're such a weirdo, dog.
You can use this for your crystal placements. Also, you can use this for your crystal placements. So I didn't want to put it out first. I just want to show you and look at the cute lips right there.
Did we do the little heart on me at all or no?
I think you have the
I do
transfer
have one little heart
foil.
right here. No, I got one little heart right
You
there.
do? This is so adorable though. This is, you can do so many designs with that. You look at the feather.
Hello,
The stuff.
Alyssa.
Oh, it has a little little
there's-
beads there too. Okay, now it's
Oh,
had
that's a
the
good one.
it had the medium size of the hearts as well. So I'm gonna use this. I'm using both. If you all want to do like a lot of crystal placement, encapsulate this two charms collection, it give you a variety of different cool like metals parts, so then you can incorporate with all different crystal placements. So I'm gonna leave it right there. And for this foil, I cut it and I swear that I just have it, and now I don't see my box somewhere. It's a 10 color of a solids colors: red, gold, rose gold. I think.
So many upside down. Uh-oh.
And then I just
Try to make up more right set up.
crumble it, like have a. You don't have to make it perfect, just. Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
The screen is blurry.
Yours is blurry or mine?
Oh no, my other phone.
Oh. Sorry, I know, this is so noisy. But I can't just sit here and look at it and do nothing.
Staring at it. But no, I
Just
can't
looking
wait
at
to
me.
see
It's
you.
like a piece of chocolate on the table. You have to, like, open it. Get some of them right set up.
If you want more, you can absolutely dab it more and then give it more look of the foil. Isn't that cool? And then make it ombre if you
Yes.
want.
Yes, how do you get ombre?
It's super cute already. If the clients don't want anything else, it's still cool that for another design, right? And top coat, and the client's good to go.
Good to go. Bye-bye. Best life.
All right, so now I'm going to using condensed glue gels. Is my background looks busy at all? Kind of.
Yeah, it's not bad, though. We can see fine.
Okay, hold on.
China, she's like, Nancy's so much glitterified beauties.
Thank you so much, I know.
If you guys weren't into crystals and bling before, after watching our videos, I don't know how anybody can't be, you know? Look at it. So got the red ones out.
So now you need to get your tweezers and then pick, face them up. Every single of them.
You're insane.
Not at all.
The neighbor boys would come over and they'd be like, "Oh, Vicky, what is this?" And they'd shake it like I did to yours.
Oh,
Nancy had set
Yeah.
them all upright to make it look beautiful. And then I didn't know, and I grabbed him like, oh my God, Nancy. I said, I need this. And I shook him all over. She's like, oh, she about had a heart attack. Because Sweet Lily actually sat there one day and had turned them all right side up. And then I shook them. Like the day after she did. Oh, hi, gorgeous.
Hi, gorgeous. This one blurry. It's okay.
Thanks, Tyran.
Hi,
We just have
Taryn.
so much fun doing what we do and just creating different styles. This one is so gorgeous right here. What did you call this? A shard? I don't know if you can see it on camera. Right there. That's the one you put on my nail.
Which one is that?
Well, you put a lot of these.
Perfect short.
The shard right here.
Perfect short.
Yeah, look at that.
So,
It just goes so perfectly on the edges of the heart.
if you are like having a hard time with this one to get it's like a perfect on yours on your nails, I mean the client's nails, you can use absolutely using a frame bender and bend it.
Trying to find mine. I've got mine handy here somewhere. Well, I thought it was handy.
I'm gonna using dragon scale. Are you picking them up?
So quiet, and all you hear is me. Now I'm trying to get my bender out because I got one at work. This is my home one. So what you was talking with the bender
Yeah.
is it's got a little dish, and you just put your frame in there, and then it has a rounded piece right here. It's hard to tell because it's clear, but you just put it on there, and you just press, and it's gonna
That's a
bend
bender.
the bender. So up here is a little thinner, down here is a little wider.
No, on Facebook.
And so it will just bend your frame so that it fits your nails. Yes, and her thumbnail sugar Nancy made, that's made out of our 40 gel.
Yes, so the next nail we are
What
going
goes
to
on your
do 40 gels.
Okay, I'll do 40 now.
Are you doing
Especially
40?
if I get my TV hooked up. Are you doing 40 next tonight?
No, I said you say that you're doing 40?
No, I was talking about your thumbnail.
Ah,
So,
I
but
thought-
if you do it again, I'll go live next time. I'll be able to see.
gotcha.
Ta-da! So awesome.
So simple. And then we have a rose gold beads that is come with your 4-color kits. Yes, I just heard Whitney said I want that 4-color kit. Whitney, you will never go wrong with this if you're still here because such a great oh, I think I have to open this. A great investment for yourself.
It's just so awesome. I can pick one up. Just one. They're sliding to the bottom. There we go. Look at that. It's so gorgeous.
It's a diamond, huh?
Yeah. Let me put them on board. I'm just sitting here. I'm going to put all the shapes on my little palette. I'm not going to sit here and turn them right side up, but I'll put each shape on a palette. Then you can see what's in here.
Oh, that's nice. You don't have to put the beads
I'm
on.
like
It looks so
brand new.
gorgeous.
Huh?
I'm excited for you. I said you don't have to put the beads on if you don't want to. It looks gorgeous itself already.
Right here. So those are the red. The kit I'm opening, just a crystal kit, just like this. The case with all the crystals is on sale on the website right now for $3.99. And I would show you the bundle pack, but I can't because it didn't arrive with me. It's still in my suitcase at the airport. It's on its way from Charlotte's, which means the next Charlotte flight isn't until 12:50 tomorrow morning. That's why I did not want to get stuck there. But so the rest of the bundle, you get $160 worth of extra products, and it's only $50 more. So then it's $449, and you get matching SS 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 of every color: the red, the blue, the rose gold, and the retro gold. So you get a kit like this. Mine, I already took the 3 out of here. The 3s because I needed them. But this is the kit, and you'll get this, but you'll get it in all the different colors. And what else comes with the kit? I don't remember because I don't have my kit here.
Oh, trifecta?
Yeah, and then you get the crystal trifecta.
And then your beads, gold beads, rose gold beads, and your obsidian.
Yeah, so okay, I'll show you. I don't have those colors because I have the last kit. So you get the trifecta, which you'll get the condensed glue gel, which is what Nancy just put down. And you'll get the no wipe top coat, step number 2, and then the precision glue gel, which is step 3. And then it also comes with the mega mix of multicolored crystals. They're multi-sized or multicolored. But you get this whole kit, and then you get the beads. But I don't have, you get the rose gold and the obsidian. So they look like this. This is the silver and the gold. But you'll get those in rose gold and obsidian. And I left my nails there that I did.
Okay, look at it. I'm going to show you. A lot of you were asking for frames in a rose gold, right? I'm cutting it and make my own frame.
I actually cut that the other day. Same thing. Same one.
Did you cut it?
Hi, Seven.
Sheila. Hello, Sheila.
Oh, thank you. Hey, Dom. Yeah, so this kit, if you look on the website, it should be under, what did you call it now? Is it new arrivals or what is it?
It's 80K.
Oh,
Special.
80K. So it's listed under there, and this is the exclusive 4-color crystal kit. But all of the shapes are all designed to go together. So whether you're working in the red, the rose gold, the gold, all of them are made to work with the other colors in here also. So just like she did this one here is rose gold and red put together. So I have, and then look at them over here. The shards, where am I in the picture? It's got the ninja in the middle and then the shards on the edges. And then just a little bow. This is so cute. You can get this in the $5 nail art. I'm just loving my little bow. And it's so simple. Just put a couple little crystals with it. And
With
then
the
I've got
double bow?
transfer foils
I love
under,
that bow.
and then I have stickers. I know, it's adorable.
I'm just messing around with the frame because if you don't have the frame the way you want it, you can create your own DIY, your own frame. Cut it off. You get your frame. Look, I cut it.
Yeah. Oh, that's like so perfect.
Look at that, I cut it.
I know. It's awesome.
I just know it now.
Well, what she's using to cut them with is the crystal clippers. So they're really sharp, cuts through any kind of metal, but it also